brochure. Okay, I'll take a look at the brochure, then I'll go to your website as well. These are weight products and liver protection products.
Yeah.
Something that we're going to take a look at. And
yes. The dark spots in your face.
I know.
Categorize them to two.
Yes.
And the first one is the cosmetics packaging. But
Yes.
actually it's not a normal packaging. It's a device. And the device is with medical technologies. For example,
Welcome to my product sourcing and e-commerce journey in China, as I explore trade fairs and exhibitions to find the next best trending products to list on e-commerce platforms. I will be showing you more content on product sourcing as I'm getting prepared to visit more events and connect with more manufacturers and suppliers before visiting factories to inspect the products and inspect the manufacturing processes. If you're interested in product sourcing and life in China in general, please subscribe to the channel, as I'll be showing you more of China and my life experience of this journey.